Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System 22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, today we're going to take this a little bit further. Yesterday we showed you how to build this hero section. When it rolls up the page, the logo sticks to the top there. Content disappears up underneath. The menu is going to stick under the logo and stay there when we roll back down. It comes back down like that. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this a custom global header so that the content, image, and title all change on each page you put it on. So I've got it here on my home page. If we go to the gallery page, you can see there's a different image there, there's different content, and there's different title. We're going to be using dynamic images and dynamic content to do this today. If we go to the services page, as you can see, different image, different content, different title there. And same with the toggle page as well. So let's get started. I'm going to go down to my dashboard, to my theme builder. I'm going to get rid of this global header and we'll start from scratch. I'm going to save those changes there. Okay, now I've deleted that. I'm going to add a new page. I'm just going to call mine contact. Now, before I use my Divi builder, I'm going to add a featured image over here. If you can't see it, the chevron may be closed up. Just click on it. We'll add a featured image. Let's throw this fella in. I'm also going to put an excerpt in here. Now, I've made mine about 50 words. Seems to work quite well for my purposes. And this excerpt and this image is the thing that's going to appear here, and the excerpt is the thing that's going to appear here. And what we've got here is the page title. So now that we've put that in, I can use the theme builder. I'm going to make this very simple. I'm going to build from scratch. I'm going to shut that down. I'm not going to use that row and section. I'm going to add my own for a library from Expediency. There's a little contact section that we had before. Stuff got that same picture in the back. Let's just change that out. I'm going to take that image away completely. That'll do. Great. As I say, I'm making this very simple. That's all I'm going to do for this page. I'm going to get rid of this section at the top that we don't need. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go ahead and publish. Okay, I'm going to quickly add this to my menu. So if we go to our dashboard, down to Appearance, Menus. Here's my sticky menu. I'm going to get rid of that because it's not a real link. And add my contact page. Fantastic. Okay, with our contact page, build the global header. So let's go to the theme builder. In fact, let's close that down. I'll take you there via the dashboard. So we'll go to dashboard, down to Divi, to theme builder. And here we can add a global header. A global header is going to appear on every single page. Or you can just add a custom header by adding a new template here and select the pages you want to have this appear on. I'm going to have it appear on every single page. So let's add a global header. I'm going to build it. Now, to save time today, I've got that header saved in my library. I'm just going to load it. If you haven't seen that, watch yesterday's video of how to build that header with the sticky menu. So I'm not going to use anything here again. Again, I'm just going to click on the little blue button. I'm going to add from the library. Hero sticky menu. Here it is right here. I can delete that section at the top. Okay, when we made this, we initially made it for just one page. And when we made it for the one page, we used a blank page template so that the original header didn't show up, the default Divi header. So if you've already built this, and you've got it like we had on yesterday's one, we can go to Edit Page, And over on this side, template wise, we had it on blank template yesterday. You need to flip it back from blank template to default template so that our global header will show up. And of course, you'll want to delete the actual single header on this page here. Great. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. Well, this little logo here, anytime anybody clicks on it, I want it to take them to the home page. So let's go in there. I'm going to go down to the link. I'm going to use a dynamic link. If we hover over the image link box right here, you'll see a little disk type icon. Left click on it. Homepage link right there. You can link to specific pages if you want to by hitting the page link. And it'll show you all your pages here. But like I said, I want to link to the home page. So I'm just going to put the home page. Now, every page this appears on, if they click on the logo, it'll take them back to the home page, just like a regular header. Fantastic. Now, this title and content here, this is just a call to action module. So we're going to go into there. And I want the title to change every time to the name of the page. So again, in the title, I'm going to roll up, get the little disk icon up. Post or archive title. And it's the same for the content here. I'm going to hit that little disk icon. I'm going to use that post excerpt. Remember we put that little bit of content in the excerpt there? Don't want anything before. Don't want to, you can, if you've got a long excerpt, you can decide how many words you want. If you shortened it, you can add a read more if you want to. Mine should all fit on there fine, so I'm going to leave it just like that. Fantastic. Now our background image, if you want the same background on every single page, that's fine, you can leave it like that. But I want a different image for each page. And when we created the contact page, we added a featured image. And that's the one that's going to show up on this page. So let's go in here. We'll go down to background. We'll go down to image. I'm going to delete this image that's there. They've got the little icon, dynamic content. I'm going to use the featured image. That's great. Now, before I save this, let's just go back here. If I visit the site now, we've got the regular Divi default header going on up here with a few customizations, as you can see. So let's just go back to the theme builder now that we've put it all in place. I'm going to save my changes there. I'm going to save my changes down the bottom here. We'll X out. Make sure everything's saved here. Now let's visit our site. Here's our home page with that original image, because this is a featured image for that page. The content is the excerpt from that page. The title is the name of the page, DSEC. I could have changed it to home. And the button, we didn't actually link that, but I'd probably link that to my contact page, and you either use the URL for the contact page, we use a dynamic link to take you there. Now, if we go over to our contact page, that new page, we've got that image that we put in for the featured image. Here's the content there that we put in the excerpt, and there's the actual name of the page itself. And when we click on the logo link up here, it should take us back to the home page. And of course, this should work just exactly the same as the one that we put on the single page. When I roll out the page, the logo is going to stick to the top, the menu is going to stick under it, and the content's going to roll up behind it. So there you go, guys. There's how to turn that little one-page hero header section into a global header using dynamic images, text, and links to make it change on every single page. And that's a great little feature right there. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make a little video just like this one. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.